Experience driving perfection in the 2014 Subaru Forester. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.